Well, we're back in the garage, and I'm not even going to pretend there's an M5 over there, as I promised in the last garage update, so nope, still no car here, well, no M5 here. We had the Bora here, but that doesn't count, so I got some ramps over here, some jacks, because for a different project, that's for the charity project. And what I got is some little remotes. I bought some remotes for this puppy, presumably. Yeah, I'm gonna try if they work. They're supposed to just be easily programmable. Yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna get the camera over here, show you the back of this filthy thing and what you're supposed to do, and then we'll see if it works. Okay, as you can see, there's all the cobwebs around this thing. I don't know what this is. It might be an emergency thing. I have no idea. Wiring running everywhere. There's a program button there. This is one of the remotes. A little fancy, cheap plastic China thing here. I don't know. Looks funny. And supposedly what you're supposed to do is, let's try that. Press a button here and hold it. Press it and hold, release this button and let this go. And the light should turn on, and it did. Oh! Okay, it closed with an open button, but I honestly don't care about that. Hold on, let me relocate this. Damn, it works. It was easier than expected. So, that was nice. That's a nice surprise that it just works like that. I have another one that I need to program for this. So let's get this out. Let's see if this works the same quick and easy and smooth and effortless. You know what, I'm just gonna try if this one actually just works out of the box. No, it doesn't, but you can see the receiver is recognizing this remote. So, hold, press, let go, feedback, function. Damn, I expected to fiddle with this and give up and buy original ones or something. Also, open please. Because I think I paid like 10, 12 euros for the set of two, shipping included. Cool. Not gonna complain. I'm happy it works, so let's move on. Well, welcome back to the garage. As you can see, we have a little bit of rain going on and the street is a little bit flooded. But it's all going to the channel outside the garage, and there's plenty of space in there. During the storms that caused the floods further north, where I'm gonna send the cars to, this was fuller than it's now, and it was still nowhere near getting out of its little channel bed and onto anywhere near to the garage. Yes, I'm here because I want to finally taking some tools here for working on the cars, and right now I'm going to try to see if I can't get into the garage without getting wet. So, thank God I invested in this, didn't I? Click. Garage door is opening, so let's back up to that. Okay, car's unloaded. I now have a toolbox over here. I removed this light, put some extension cord in here for my two work lights, my little ones with magnetic thingies that I have to charge, and they need charging. And I put this one up here for now, just because that's the only thing I could do right now. Yeah. So, what's next? It's still pouring down outside. Well, it's getting better. Yeah, it's no longer coming down the ledge there. So the street is no longer a river. It's nice. Did I forget anything here? Nope, didn't. So the next thing I'm gonna do is probably get some shelves. I'm gonna get some more tools here. Got my power drill and my impact, although this thing is kind of dead, more or less. I need a new one. I would like to have some compressed air, but it's gonna be noisy. The neighbors don't like noise and all the good stuff, so maybe not. So the next thing, I'm probably gonna just get like a workbench, a small one here to put some parts on and work on. And I really need to get a more power, more lights, and more tools too. But everything I have is really is in here. Everything that is like at least automotive related, just all this stuff. It's all hidden in here. What's down here? More stuff and things, heat gun, some weird bits. And down here we have some more jack stands. Yeah. So, I'm really glad I did that remote thing. Got the tools, got some more, well, got the light in a different spot, so both sides of the garage actually. And got some charging capabilities here. Okay, so, on to the next updates. Hey guys, welcome back to the garage for a almost final garage update, because somebody behind me, somewhere there, couldn't tell you who, somewhere in this neighborhood has complained. They complained that I tried to fix a car to give it away. So 2 weekends ago, Saturday, well, a week and a half ago, Saturday, Benny and Mika and I, we worked on this little thingy, fixing the rust. And how dare we? Yeah, I got a noise complaint. Well, no, I didn't get a noise complaint. What I got was an eviction note. My landlord for this garage, he got a noise complaint from the community of this little town, that somebody living here complained about making noise all day long, welding, grinding, hammering. And well, yes, we did all of those things, but as you saw in the other video, these were also closed whenever we did that, or we tried to at least. And one time, the first time. And well, apparently one time is one too many, even though when I rented this place, I asked the landlord on 3 different occasions before signing the contract if it's okay if I work on a car in here sometimes. And I mean, after hours, after work, weekends, occasionally. So in 2 months, I did that once, and I immediately got kicked out. So now, my problem is, this needs to go, all of this stuff needs to go, this car needs to go, and as you can see, it's not even like in a piece right now. It's like, it's actually, look, I was told I'm not allowed to work in here anymore on cars. I have to evict it, I have to get out. I managed to negotiate end of the month instead of like immediately, which gives me 2 weeks, just barely now. Yeah, and I told him I kind of have to put this back together if I want to move it anywhere, because, well, duh. And he told me I can't. I said I will. He's like, okay, if somebody complains, then they will forward that to me. So, great. So what? What are they going to do? Kick me out? Yeah. From a legal perspective, I think I would be within my rights to fight it and stay. But honestly, where is it going to lead? Nobody's going to gain anything from that. So I'm going to try to put this back together to get it rolling, driving, just back to normal. I mean, there's nothing broken here. All this needs is putting back together, because we tried to get it off because of the steering boot, as you can see, which is like just shot. But yeah, it should be fine. It's literally like 2-3 bolts, wheels back on, and this is drivable, obviously, as is this. They're just all not registered. And here in Germany, not registered means I can't drive them on the road. I can't even park them on the road. They cannot sit on public property. They can't sit on the street. They need to be on private property somewhere. So I've had to figure out where to put them, what to do with them before they get fixed and donated. This one is very likely going to be just registered and shipped up to a new recipient, a new owner, as soon as I can, because it has TÜV. And right there, number 4 that's missing right now is the Clio that I bought, and I haven't even brought here yet because, oh, what's the point? But I probably have to, otherwise the dealer's probably gonna be not amused that I keep a car at his lot forever and ever. But that's all I can do right now. I'm just gonna do some... Jesus, chicken. What's your problem? Hey mate, what's your problem, mate? Come on, don't hide. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, so all I can do right now is get them ready as far as I can and get out of here. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll try to find a solution, and I'll have to get all my tools back, all my things, my garage TV that was never installed. Yeah, gotta tidy all this up and put it back together and take it back to my cellar that's getting fuller and fuller. Yeah, I'll probably do a final garage update once I hand it over, but if that even. But at that point, this might be the end of the video. If not, you know what's coming. It's just the handover. So, see you in the next garage update. That is definitely not going to be this garage. I hope the next update is a new garage, but I haven't found one for a year and a half before I found this one, so I'm not super optimistic right now. Pricing here is just outrageous, so we'll see.